Hello, today I'm here with another MySQL tutorial, which is the WHERE clause. And I just want to share a brief iceberg of what the WHERE clause can do. The WHERE clause is used to filter data which meets a specific condition. Let's use our comparison operators. As you see here, we have equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We open MySQL, we want to type select, and we are going to use star for it to select all the table, and then we set from which table we want to use the employee biography, and let's just take a look at the table. Now you see this is the table here, and you see our SQL has executed successfully. Now below here is the table, so we want to add a WHERE clause. You have to remove this tag, and then you put where age is equal to 40. What MySQL will do, it will select only the data or only the employee that meet the criteria with the age 40. So we said equal to where age equal to 40, and then when we execute it, oh yes, you see we have only one employee, which is Mark, with the age of 40, and there's it. So now we want to say where age is greater than 35, and then when we say where employee age is greater than 35, it's going to select only the employee that have an age greater than 35. When we execute, we see all these employee here that have an age greater than 35. Let's just say greater than 50, and then when we execute this one, it will select for us only the employee that have an age greater than 50. So we want to say less than 40, so we see it will select all the employee with the age less than 40. So we want to say greater than or equal to 38. We select, and you see these are the employee that have the age greater than 38. And then we want to say less than or equal to 30 is going to select only the employees that meet the criteria. We have only one employee that have the age less than 30. Let's say we want to set less than or equal to 40, and then when we execute, we have only these employees who meet the criteria, which simply means if it is 40, MySQL is going to select it, and if it is below 40, MySQL is going to select it. Now let's just select the employee that meet the criteria, gender male, and we just select. Always remember that star is to select all the data from where employee biography, and which meet the criteria where gender is equal to male. Now let's just see what will happen when we highlight it. Here it shows only the employee that meet the criteria, gender male, and when we say gender female, now we say female, FEMALE, then we execute. It is showing us only the employee that meet the criteria, female. And this is it for this tutorial.